Okay, a little update here on Horseshoe, and yesterday we were showing you that we were making some parts. One of the two jobs was making more of those crossbar retainers that I had showed you, and just a little update, we ran some, and this is what they're looking like. So what we have there is 6 of the 11 or 7 of the 11 that we're making. This is where the client gave us some information about the exit device, and he didn't actually give us the wrong information. I've discovered what the actual problem was. The problem was we're making a crossbar retainer for a Corbin ED6000-series device. They have rim device that's UL listed, surface vertical rod, UL listed, concealed vertical rod, UL listed, something like that. What's interesting though is that the dimension of the projection on all of those 5 or 6 variants is not the same. So the clearance when the bar is extended or depressed apparently changes. Well, it does change, not apparently. And what we're talking about is in the catalog, it says the projection when depressed is 3-inch. So I made my crossbar retainer based on the physical sample that I had. So I built this crossbar retainer by actually measuring the distance from the inside of the crossbar to the face of the door. Nowhere on here is it 3-inch. Nowhere. Turns out, so I shipped our client the 2 crossbar retainers. He says, Rich, they're too short. He said about 1 3/8, and that is, well, the next, one of the bigger sizes would either be 1 1/4 or 1 1/2 longer. And then I realized, aha, it's not a 3-inch projection less the width of the crossbar than the clearance. They're going to the outside of the actual arm. The arm stands proud of the crossbar, which means I have to understand clearly when the manufacturer is telling us what the projection is, that we can't absolutely assume that it's the crossbar projection. What I've realized is, and the good thing about this is I have, that's the ED6200A. It's 3-inch in terms of what the catalog says. It actually is to the outside of the crossbar arm. Based on how the other series change, I know how to change my drawing, which is what I've done. So what I just showed you is 1 1/2 inch longer than what I shipped the client. That's for a 4.5-inch projection when depressed. The issue is I don't have that actual device, and I'll never get one. It's been discontinued, as I mentioned yesterday, for so long. The moral of the story is, as I'm building these crossbar retainers, and what's in that one, that might be a real goofy Corbin. Corbin's narrow style crossbar. 7000 series? I'm just guessing. That's the discontinued 6000 that's here. That's a C.R. Lawrence Jackson Sierra Lawrence Jackson, 1085, 1095, Dormatic Falcon, 1990, 2090. That's good. Obviously, our good old standby. The 55, it has the same dimension as well. And then that Corbin, I think that Corbin narrow style crossbar, that would be Corbin's version of a Von Duprin 55. We're going to assemble, install all of those so that when I build my approved tool path for the arms, the retainer itself, I know they fit. I'm not sending these out to the field and not understanding whether or not they fit. Allow me to show you some of the other process. Those two tumblers are basically taking what you saw in the back and turning it into a more finished product. And we have 3 tumblers. 1, 2, 3. And they have coarse, medium, fine media in them. And right now we are determining the formulas to achieve the finishes that we want to achieve. And while I don't think there's an epic need for a satin versus matte versus burnished versus bright versus polished, at the end of the day I want to have options in terms of what they'll look like. These are bright. Those are hand wheels for water valves is what those are. And as we continue to work through, taking note of our formulas that we're building here. Anyway, that's an update. Hope you continue to follow along. Let's do this. Place an order. Going back to yesterday, I still need help. Place an order and mention somewhere in the notes field. You can add notes in step 2 of checkout. Hey Rich, I watched your video. Send me a pair of those slippers that you have. Please do that and we'll send them to you on your next order. And thank you.